look at how easy it is to adjust the OEM shocks on a 2019 and probably future year Tri-Glides and Freewheelers. The OEM shocks on the 19 Tri-Glides and Freewheelers are not air shocks like they were in previous years. They're coil-over shocks with an adjustable knob under the seat. In the owner's manual that comes with the trike, there is suggested settings. Let's go look at that real quick. So the suggested settings for a Tri-Glide, which you'll see right here, this is for the Tri-Glide, it shows at 200 pounds with 0 luggage, they suggest putting it on 1. With 40 pounds of luggage, they suggest putting it on 6. Now, the Freewheeler, right here, is a very similar chart, but of course, because it weighs a little bit less, the preload settings are different. But going back to the trike, so I'm between 190 and 200, so 0 to 1 with nothing, but I usually have 30, 40 pounds of luggage, so they say that the settings should be 5 to 6. And that just hasn't worked for me. It's been way, way too bumpy. And so I've been experimenting between 1 and 2, and it's a much nicer ride. Let's look and see how easy it is to adjust the shocks. So another really nice thing Harley did this year is they used a elevated thumb screw, so you no longer have to get back in there with the screwdriver. They're using this elevated thumb screw, so you can just get back there and loosen it or tighten it, no tools needed. Pull the seat off. And once you've pulled the seat off, you can see that there is a knob right here. And it has numbers on it. I have it at 0 right now because that's what they say, but I'm going to go ahead and you do 1 full turn and that'll take it to 1. A second full turn, 2, and you can see that the line, the edge of this is almost to the line there. So now, right now, I have it on 3. I go 1. Oh, I'm sorry, I have it on 2. That's 3, that's 4, and then this is 5. So let's go 1 more line, and let's put it on 3. And you hear it click, push it back down, put the seat back on, make sure it catches up here at the tank. Take the thumb screw, put it in there, push it down, and screw it in. And that's it. So I'm 190 to 200. I have it set on 3 because I usually carry some luggage. Okay, but what if I have a passenger who weighs 130? I have a passenger who weighs 130 right here, plus luggage. So let's just say passenger, cargo, and accessories. Okay, and let's just say 150 plus 200. It says that it should be a setting of 19. Now, I've tried it on a setting of 19. It is absolutely horrendous. Horrible, like a buckboard. But it's also too soft down at 3 or 4. So to get the ideal ride, without a passenger is one setting, with a passenger it's going to be a different setting. So experiment around. This is a guideline. I think you'll find when you experiment around, you'll find that this guideline is a little bit off, and you'll find the sweet spot for you, but you will be either compromising when you're riding solo or when you're riding 2-up unless you change the settings. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. Please mash the like button. We'd appreciate it. Thank you.